Today is a huge day because I want to explain to you, we just received those bricks here that we just ended down each by one. So let me explain it to you a little bit because why is a so excited and special day. I personally projected a pizza counter, which is for me is the most important part of this project. So let me explain to you. This basically we're gonna build a wall here, through here, voila, all around with glasses and everything. And then I want to create this piece of marble that goes on top of here, and then the people can sit and watch me making pizza. So maybe you can be next one. Come and see me making the pizza. Let me explain to you a couple of what's in my mind. Let's see. So this is the idea. Let's see. Let's go right here. So pizza oven. Okay, and then we have this counter here, which is one is a fridge and one is a topping counter, and then we have this table that goes right here to stretch, and then we have another one, a little thing here to put the dough tray. So the idea is to stretch here, making pizza here, and then when the pizza is ready, put it down here. So what we're gonna do here today, well, these days, not today, we're gonna build a wall all around like that, and then here too because we don't have it, by a piece of marble that will cover, one piece of marble that will cover everything, all this. So this is gonna be all marble, and then with a piece of wood, I wanna buy another piece of wood and then put it right here on top of the marble a little bit that goes like there, and then we're gonna put all the chairs this way the people can sit and watch me making pizza. But things can change, and then we'll see. So follow me in this journey. I'm gonna go ahead and start some time lapse because this is gonna be a really long project that we're gonna make in a few days because the 26th of May is gonna be the grand opening party, and today actually is 7th of May, like you can see, Tuesday, May 7. So we have a really short time, and then after this we're gonna what I really worry is to go ahead and order the marble, so this can be tricky, but because we're in Italy, give a little tip and the people that can make this happen. Okay, see you around. It's been a long day yesterday, really hard work, especially my brother-in-law. Come here, I want to show you what we did. Today is day 2, and this is the wall, the counter, sorry. So we are putting some angles. Sorry guys, but we are not from the construction business, so please don't judge the look right now, judge at the end. So this is the counter, come here. Like you can see, we created an angle because this is where the fridge is gonna be, and the countertop, this way the people can all sit here. What I did here, I'll show you. We raise everything about 10 inches. This way we can put everything my height. And this is where we're gonna stretch. This is where the plate is gonna be. Plate of the pizza dough boxes, dough tray, and that's it. So enjoy day number 2, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this part here the same look of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to order the wood countertop. So let's go ahead, let's put some time lapse even today. See you in a little bit. Actually, I'll see you at the end of this day. I show you my feeling, I show you my hands. This is Vito. Vito, my brother-in-law. Vito di Venere.
Hola.
And this is my father-in-law. He actually builds the, come si dicono le bare da morte? The cuff. The cuff, yes, of the dead people, I'm sorry. So he's gonna build the counter of the bar counter. I don't know if we can get that too. Let's get some cement done and let's do this. I try to make this the end of the video for the pizza counter because this is the most important part of my studio. But the marble is gonna take so much time, and in 2 weeks, actually I don't know when you're gonna post this video, in about 10 days, 1 week, we are opening this place out. So I say, let me post the video. Let me post this video. So I want to explain to you. The table you saw on the time lapse is done. We built it from scratch. But what we did extra that you don't have on the video there, we built 1, 2, and 3 to put the marble. We put this down here and with a board, because this is where you're going to stretch the pizza. Boom, boom, boom. So this is where the marble goes. But before this, placing this done, let's go ahead and let's choose the marble and let's see how they will cut the marble, how I did follow this journey, because before this is this angle is not precise, so I had to cut something out exactly the same, and I had to bring this piece of board to the marble guy, and they cut it like custom made from me. So let's go ahead, let's come with me. I'm gonna get some time lapse in and there for the marble. So let's go ahead, let's go. We're choosing the marble. We're choosing the marble to get the, and this is the marble that we chose. So now they're gonna cut it, and then we're going to put it on the pizzeria from scratch. So I want to just explain to you a little bit how this will look like, how he will look like. Everything is idea from me. A little bit. Vieni un po' fuori. Fuori, Gina. Fuori. Okay. So the idea is to have all marble and then this countertop with all the chairs down there, and we can do like a pizza class, so you can enjoy the pizza watching me making the pizzas, things like this. 26th of May is going to be open this place, and then hopefully, I will make a video, hopefully before the grand opening, about everything, how I done this. We have the bench. Vieni. We look at this bench, it's done. We got the lights. We got the bar done. Unfortunately, I couldn't shot so many things going on. I'm building everything with me and my friends and my family. On Instagram, I also put some stories here and there to what I'm doing daily. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching this journey of the pizza countertop. So watch the other videos or Instagram when we are going to place the marble on top and other things. But soon, I'm posting the video complete with the complete project, complete pizza place, complete the home kitchen, complete the bar, and ready to rock and roll. Smash the like, and thank you so much for supporting. See you at the next one.